Hi, I'm Brett Domin with Flaming River Industries. Today we'd like to spotlight our second generation 70 to 81 Direct Fit Camaro column. What makes this column unique in direct fit is that we've attached OEM style mounting tabs to this column so you can detach your original bracket from the original column, put it on our brand new column, and fit it right up into the dash like it's supposed to. Also, as you've noticed, we have the key in the column in the original 3 o'clock position, and we also have a lower shroud piece that fits the dash properly with no gaps or clearance issues. You might notice that this column is black. This is a black powder coated column. We have this column also available in a paintable finish for you to paint to your liking, or we sell it in a chrome finish. Some other features on the column are the original style 4 1/4 GM plug, which controls your left, right, back, front turn signals, horn, brake lights, etc. And it also has the OEM style ignition switch mounted on the column in the proper location. No interferences with AC ducts or brake pedal bracketry or anything like that. As you notice here on the desk, we have a couple little accessory items. This is our ignition switch, the ignition switch plug, FR20118-5. Now, why you would buy this would be as if you're using your original harness and for some reason, this became damaged throughout the years of the vehicle, or somebody had spliced into it to put a different used column in it in the recent past. So this plugs right into the ignition switch, and then you hardwire it to your existing wires up under the dash. The mounting tabs, as we said, are going to use the original dash bracket. This item here is what we call our floor mount, and it's a nice piece of aluminum. The nice holes in the original locations to reuse the factory screws. The unique difference about this item is that there's this swivel ring that goes on the column tube, lets you pitch this to the desired angle and finish mounting the column up properly. Throughout the years of the 70 to 81s, the original floor mounts were permanently attached to the columns, so there's a bit of work that would go into removing that and reusing the original one. So this simplifies that for you. Also, here on the desk we have the dress-up kit, tilt, turn signal, and hazard levers. Match the column black powder coated. If you buy a chrome column, these come to you in a polished aluminum, and if you buy the paintable column, they come to you in a satin finish. Also on the end of this column is the original 1-inch 48 spline to use the original rag joint intermediate shaft connection from the steering box up to the column. We also, as you know, sell U-joints and shafting. If you're interested in replacing everything from the column all the way down to the gearbox, we have U-joints and shafting available for you to do that. So again, this is our second gen 70 to 81 Camaro Direct Fit column. Check out our website, www.flamingriver.com. My name's Brett. Give us a call if we can help you.